Hello ladies and gentlemen. Today's video I'm going to show you about how stupid my goat is compared to water. Are you ready? This is how my goat reacts when it has just a touch of water on it. P.S. My goat does not like water. You ready? Let's watch. Ready? Let's watch the goat. Boom! There it goes. Up on the hill. Boom! There it goes again. Boom, 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 boom. Look at it run. It hates water. I don't know what its problem is with water. Well, there you go, guys. How my goat reacts to water. Thanks. Now maybe I should show you something else. I'll show you something else I have. It's called my dog Spike. Spike! Yeah. Let's see what it does when water is coming near it. Let's have a look. This is the dog. You ready? Ready? 1, 2. Can you see my dog? That's Spike. Hi, Spike. Like some water? Wee-hee! It loves water. That's the difference between dogs and goats. One may like water, one may not. Well, thank you for watching Carol Pertzel's videos. Come back again and please subscribe.